In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images for free with Imagine Anything AI. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to their website, which is actually just imagineanything.ai. So type that up here into the search box or just search for Imagine Anything on Google and you'll be able to find it quite easily. And then on their website, what you want to do first is, of course, you can look for some inspiration over here. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of different things. As you can see, a lot of these images that we just generated look very, very good and actually quite realistic, and some even cute over here, as you can see. And then if you want to create one yourself, what you want to do is click Generate Images up here, up top. And then in here, it says generate an image or photo instantly with our free AI image tool. So what you want to do is simply click in here where it says what you want to see and then give it a brief description. So let's say for this instance, I want to have a futuristic looking car, sunset in the background, and rain. Okay, so let's say that's that. Now, what you then want to do is simply click Advanced over here, and you have many options. So as you can see, you can select if you want steps, guidance, and interval. Okay, so these are all different options. From what I've noticed, you can play around with it and it will change images quite a bit. However, usually I just like to leave these as they are by default. So you can leave it on Flux, which is the default model. You can switch to Stable Diffusion or Ideogram, so it doesn't really matter. You can pick whichever you want, but for me, I usually use Flux, and most often you'll probably want to use Flux as well. Then just click Advanced yet again to close this down, and then press Generate. And then as you can see, it will ask you to log in/register with a free account. So what I'm going to do is just press Login over there. And then I'm gonna actually log in with my account over here, press continue. So you have to have a Google account to be able to log in. It's very easy to create. There we go. And now once you've done this, you can then click generate. And in just a few seconds over here, as you can see, it's gonna start loading your image and it says your image is generating. And then it's going to load up, and in a few seconds we're going to see, there we go, the final result, which is, as you can see, exactly what I asked for. So a futuristic car image which has a sunset in the background, and there's also visible rain on the image. So you get my point. As you can see, you get 9 creations per month on the free plan. If you want anything else, you're going to have to go over here to where it says pricing, and then you can select the premium or the deluxe plan. So that's pretty much it. Just press generate images and you can then generate as many images as you want. That's pretty much how you use this tool. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.